friends. My friend Sheree at Turquoise Dreaming is doing a challenge, and the challenge is to use up her scraps, and she's inviting everybody to use up their scraps, and she's going to do a video once a week, I believe, and so I told her I would do this challenge as well. I have never done a challenge. I haven't done any challenge on YouTube. So this is my first one, and I thought that it was something that I could do, that, you know, I could handle. So here I am. This is my pile of scrap paper that I have, and it's such a large variety of different types and styles of paper, and everything from little scraps to big scraps. So I'm not sure where to dive in and really how to go about this, but I have these white tags that I had bought on clearance, and I think I'll use my smallest scraps on these. And then I have, these two big ones I've had for such a long time, these little tags, and I think they would be perfect in an altered book or junk journal. So I'm gonna be putting some little scraps on these as well. And then I also could put some on these little bags that I have. I use these in my altered books. I typically just slice the bottom right off and then use it as a pouch. So I could use those as well. So anyway, we are going to get started, and I think I'm excited. I think what I'll do is I'll start and I will pull my smallest scraps out, and those will be the ones that I will start with. I feel like maybe that won't be quite as overwhelming to me. And also, if I see some that I'm going to get ready to use in an upcoming project, then I won't scrap them in this little situation here. Okay, so I have somewhat grouped like items, and I think the first thing I will do is this beautiful pink card. And I'm going to put wax paper down because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the card. I like to protect my little mat here, and so I do use wax paper, especially if I think I'm going to decoupage or use glue, and I'll definitely be doing both of those things. So I think what I will do on this beautiful pink card is I'll leave it pink on one side, and I think I'll use this flower pattern on the other side, and then I might draw lines across it. Now, I'd like to layer this, so, oh, here we go. Maybe I need one more item. Oh yeah, okay, so, oh, that's nice. What if I did something like that? We're gonna cut this out with these decorative scissors. And I think I will like that. This needs something else. Oh, what do we think about that? Oh, I kind of like that. Let's do this. Oh yeah, okay, I think I like that. I think I do. Okay, let's do that. Here it is so far. It's looking really pretty. So I'm thinking I will use one of these gorgeous ribbons. I just had bought these not too long ago, and I adore them because they are metallic pink, and I love pink anyway, and then adding sparkles on top is just fantastic to me. So I think we'll go ahead and use some of that on this ultra feminine tag here. So I'll use this Fabri-Tac. I know you guys have seen this before. It works great. I accidentally trimmed my top too wide, so I have to be really careful when I put it on something because a lot comes out. But a lesson learned. Always a lesson learned. That looks really pretty. I like it. Now I want to choose the ribbon that I'm going to use. I'd like to choose the ribbon that I'm going to use to thread through here. So I'd like it to be pretty. I could use this sheer one. Oh, I could double it up. Yeah, let's do that. Because it doesn't look very pink, but if I double it up then, or even triple, then it will. So let's see. If I try to triple it, it would be, let's see, let me put it down. Okay. Gather it up at the end, all of them together. And then I like to just fold them in half. So I'll gather them and then fold them in half. And then it'll be easy, should be easy for me to shove through here. Yep. Oh, that looks pretty, like tripled up like that, because you can tell now that it's pink. Now I feel like I should add a little perimeter around some of these to help them stand out a little bit. So I'm going to touch this bright pink on here. I'm going to pick a spot and test it and see if I like it. We'll do it right here under this little. Okay, so it's okay. It's pretty bright, and I think maybe too bright. So I will not use a lot of the bright pink. I'll pick up a different color. Here is more of a purple. Let's test this. Actually, we're going to test this right here on this edge. I like that. We're going to go around this card with it. So here we are. I used some scraps and made a pretty card. I'm very happy with it. I think I'll just do some line. You know what? I'll leave this blank for now because you never know what I might want to end up doing over on that side. So I'm very happy with that. So let's do one more. All right, so I've got this burgundy card and it's a tag. I don't really love the color burgundy. I don't really like it at all. I would never choose it for anything. So I'm gonna find this to be a challenge, and I like a challenge. So let's decide what we want to do on this burgundy card to make it awesome. All right, I think what I've decided is to use, this is kind of old, it's scrapbook paper obviously, but it's got old-fashioned look on it, as you can see. And like, here's a corset. And so I think we'll use that on here. I think that goes good together. And we can use some music notes. And then we also have my scraps of writing here. So let's combine these. Let's see how this ends up when we work on combining these. Gonna move that out of the way so it can dry a little bit, and I'll put a fresh one down. It's not fresh, but it's a dry one. And I alternate them back and forth, so if I get one dirty, I can just grab my other one and use it. So I'm thinking of, oh, I think I might do that. That's pretty good. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Once these dry, I will cut them out of the way. Now I think I will do my writing. I think I'll go across this way. Oh yeah, I think maybe from here to here, I think will look good. Oh yeah, maybe from here to here. Or could do, let's see. I like it like that. Okay, that's what we'll do. So, I don't want to waste, I love this old writing paper, and I don't want to waste it. So, let me see where that corner's going to be. Right here. Cut it right about there. All right. We need one more thing in the center, I think.
I like the way it turned out. And if you like the way these turned out, smash that like button. Thanks for watching. See you soon.